Hey guys, what's going on? So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this really cool origami 3D TV, and check it out. And it's also a box, and it stands like that. And what's really cool about it is that since the screen is one layer, and if you put some light from behind it, you can, well, let me turn off the lights real quick. Since it's only one layer, you can light it up just like this, and then you can put something behind it and do like a little show. This is like what Jeremy Schaefer did with his origami laptop. See? You can do like a show. And yeah, and I'm going to show you how to fold it. Alright, ready, set, here goes. Okay, so for this TV, I'm going to use a 6-inch square of kami. You could try it from a sheet of printer paper cut square, but then you won't have the contrast on it. So, I'm going to use a 6-inch square of kami. So, let's begin white side up, and let's fold in half, but we're just going to make crease marks. So just make a crease mark on the side right here. You can make it about 1 inch long. So about like that. And same on this side. So that way we won't have extra creases on our screen. Okay, and repeat in this direction. So fold in half. Just make 2 crease marks, about 1 inch long. Just like that. Okay, and now it's blends. So we're gonna fold this up in between these 2 points. Or yeah, make this edge and this edge align with the crease marks. Alright, just like that. And crease sharply. And now do that 3 more times. Okay, and now we're gonna fold in half, and again we're just gonna make crease marks. And you can make these creases, you can make these crease marks small, so just like this. Alright, and then do that in the other direction. Make 2 crease marks, 1 here, and 1 here. Alright, just like that. Okay, zoom in for this. And now we're gonna take this point, and we're gonna fold it to this point right here. Alright, and do that all the way around. Okay. And now, let me zoom out. And now we're going to do is, we're going to unfold these points. Okay. And we're going to fold them inside. So just fold it like that. And do that 3 more times. Alright, so here is our screen right here. And now we're going to make this 3D. So I mean, if you want a 2D 3D, if you want a 2D TV, then you're done. And this actually works. You can put light from behind it and you can light up the screen. But I'm going to show you how to make it 3-dimensional. So to do that, what we're going to do is, by holding the layers down, we're going to fold this edge to this edge. So hold the layers down so they don't slide. Alright, just like this. And crease that nice and sharp. And you can unfold and do that 3 more times. Okay. And now what we're going to do is we're going to take this corner and we're going to fold it to the intersection right there, so that point. Alright, and then unfold. And do that 3 more times. Alright, and now turn over And now we're gonna reverse these 4 creases we did earlier. So let's just loosen them up by just running our fingernail over it like this. So it just makes it easier to fold on them. So just loosen them up like that. And then now we can fold on the crease. And when you crease sharply, be careful so you don't tear the paper right here. You might tear it if you do it too hard. Just do it lightly. Well, just do it slowly, just like this. So yeah, be really careful at the corners. Okay, now you can unfold and do that 3 more times. Actually, let's crease the corners first. And then crease in the middle, like that. That's better. Okay, and now we're gonna form the TV. So to do that, it's just like we're forming a box. So we're gonna take these 2 creases and we're gonna bring them together like this, and then we're gonna fold this flap all the way down to the bottom. So we're folding it to this point inside, and we're folding it on an existing crease, so it should be pretty easy. Just like that, and do that 3 more times. So I'll show you again on this one. Bring it together, and then fold down on that crease. Just like that, and then do that with the other 2. Okay, like that. And now just kind of pinch here so this flap stays down, and then do that on here. Like that, and then shape it to taste. And once did that, here is our TV done. We can stand, just like that. It's better to show you at an angle, so just face it up a little bit. See, just like that. Isn't that cool? And of course, the cool thing about it, turn off the lights, and then put some backlight behind it, and then you can do a little show or something. You can make like a something, and you can do something like that. So yeah, there you have it. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed folding that, and hope you find it interesting, and make sure you subscribe, and let me know what you think. Alright, see you guys later.